This is John Lewis. This department store has a wide variety of Otis lifts from the 1980s all the way to the present day. The lighting on this day is rather spooky. And I found something I rather like down here. It's through this door. It is an awesome 70s Otis. And the light behind the button still works. Except this lift does not work anymore. When I came here a few days ago, the doors were left open and you could go in. I wonder if it's been parked somewhere. I presume it hasn't been moved. Because I don't think it still works. It might be on -2. It's not. It's a 1970s Otis. I would so like to go, and it's still got its original fixtures. It serves some rather odd floors. And now to the next lift, which is an 80s and 90s Otis, I'm not sure which. And this lift is rather unusual. Firstly, it serves some floors. It serves Car Park 2, Car Park 1, Riverside Walk, Upper Riverside, Bridge, and R1, which stands for Restaurant 1. And despite serving Riverside Walk, it no longer stops there due to a fault. And after Riverside is a key switch. So it's got Dewhurst. And it looks like a hydraulic from the outside, but it's actually a traction lift that runs really well. Now into the main department store. This building was built in the 80s and 90s. All the vertical transport was made by Otis. And it's a rather unusual and very confusing building layout. You've got two halves of the building which are connected in the car park levels and on the upper levels, but not on the ground floor because there's the horsefair tunnel that goes through there. Now to the next lift. Come on. Also 1980s Otis lifts with a variety of fixtures. In fact, I think some of the fixtures have been replaced. Those look like they might be original, with new fixtures here. And here there's a little mezzanine art gallery level, and the reason it's slightly higher than the first floor is to allow lorries to drive under here. So it goes under the road, goes under the tunnel, it goes over the tunnel, so it needs to go up to allow the tunnel to fit through. Now to some glass 1980s Otises. These lifts have the American-style. These lifts have the American-style indicators and chime, but they have Dewhurst buttons. Because in the 1980s, Otis made a lot of American-style lifts. American chime. Come on. I like this indicator thing. Car parking level 2. Let's go in the other one. American-style chime.
Door closing.
This indicator thing. The ground floor bulb's gone. Nice view.
Third floor. Door opening.
And now to another lift lobby. I remember, ooh, Comic Sans. I hate that font. I remember the code to this goods lift used to be 1234, and I managed to get a ride in it because I put in 1234 and it worked. And so
Going down.
let's go to the ground floor. These are some rather... We've got the American-style Otis concave buttons. Come on, go. Not as efficient as the other ones.
Ground floor.
We've got a nice indicator. None of the lifts have the ground floor light working when they have that indicator. Now, outside of the main shopping centre, there's an Otis Gen 2 up to the main department store, going down, connecting it with Waitrose, and it's of noticeably lower quality than the other lifts. And it calls the floors 0 and 1, and they should be ground and basement. This lift safety brakes rather violently. It's going slowly because I've safety braked it. I performed a safety brake on it. And now to some more lifts, which are also Gen 2s. Chime out by accident.
Going up.
This particular was at P1 and -2. It's really inconsistent. In fact, I think the -2 button, it sort of looks newer. I think it's been retrofitted. Maybe the normal button was vandalised.